Okay, I start with a circle. I made a line straight across. What I did was I took this, I hold down Control, bring it straight across, double click, and then I made it the exact same width as my circle, which is 2.37. So I did 2.37. Okay, and then using Align and Distribute, I centered it. 1, 2. Okay, I only need one, but here we can take this and we can rotate it. So now you can see we have 4 sections. In your image here, you had 6 on the bottom here, which means if we were to split it up total, we would have 12. So 360 degrees divided by 12 would give us 30 degrees. So we're going to hit duplicate, which is Control D. And here we actually go up to, where did it go? Okay, Object, Transform. And Object Transform will bring up the side menu here. We're going to hit 30 degrees. We're going to go over here to Rotate 30 degrees. And you can choose left or right and just hit Apply. Again, Control D for Duplicate and Apply. Now that we have these, we're going to take these together and we will duplicate those and come up here and flip objects horizontally. And so if you wanted to split the whole circle evenly, that's how you would do that. Okay, if you only want to do half a circle, let's take this circle and we can keep the same horizontal line here. So we can duplicate that, bring it over here. Okay, and the way to do that would be to divide this line in half. And you need to make sure that your snap marks are on. So if you could see my side menu here, I've got toggle snapping to nodes, toggle snapping to cusp nodes. I can't see this one. Toggle snapping to miscellaneous points. I just have my snap marks on. So we're going to need a line that is half of this width. So we'll duplicate that. And then half of 2.37 is like 1.185, I think. Yeah, 1.185. So we'll change the width to 1.185. Okay, I'm going to make this a different color so that you can see it here. Now this is here. We're going to do the same thing now. We'll go to Transform and we'll do 30 degrees. So duplicate. And then whatever direction we want to go. Let's see. Okay, and then we're going to just drag it down here until it snaps. Okay, and then we could take these, duplicate, and again apply, and we'll have this. Now we don't need these double lines here, so what I'm going to do is rotate it again. Okay, so now we've got these, and for this one and this one and this one, we're going to duplicate those and then flip them, and then we're going to have them here. So if I get rid of this black line underneath here, you can see now I have them all equally spaced apart. They should all be equally 30 degrees. And I don't believe I have any repeat lines. So you're going to really need to make sure that you have the nodes snapping. And they all meet here. And I believe that's it. Now if you wanted to do the whole circle, it's easier to do with the lines. You don't have to worry about positioning them or moving them. If you have any questions, let me know.